Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. So remember our name if you guys are new to our channel because we post tutorial videos just like this. And in today's video I will be showing you guys how you guys can log in into your PHH mortgage account. So with that said, for those people who do not know mortgage is also known as loan. So basically it's a website which provides you loan. Alright, now if you guys are new to our channel, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel How to Guide, and let's move on, shall we? So the first step is search for PHS Mortgage Login. After you search for it, click on the first link over here. It will take you to its official website, and over here where it says login, just click on it and then click on where it says Mortgage Center Login. Alright, now you can also click on the second one, depends on which account you're signing into. Alright, once you're over here, click on sign in. And after clicking on sign in, it's gonna ask you for some information which is required for you to sign in into your account. And after providing the information, you should be able to log in into your PHH mortgage account. So hope you guys understand, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe, and I will be seeing you guys in my next video. Bye bye.